Ever wondered how to make people instantly like you? In today's fast-paced world, making a great impression is key, but many struggle with it. Did you know that, according to psychology studies, people form their opinion within mere seconds of meeting you? If this impression isn't positive, it can lead to missed opportunities and connections. Not only that, but failing to make a good impression can affect your social life and career growth. It's crucial to master the art of instant likability for lasting relationships and success. By the end of this video, you will learn 10 proven tricks to make people like you instantly. Let's start. 10. Ooze positivity in hard times. Have you ever met someone who seems to radiate positivity, even in the darkest of times? They're like a ray of sunshine on a cloudy day, lifting spirits and spreading warmth wherever they go. And let me tell you, that kind of positivity is like a magnet for likability. Think about it. When you're faced with adversity or challenges, it's easy to succumb to negativity and despair. But those who maintain a positive outlook, even in tough situations, stand out like beacons of hope amidst the gloom. But why do people flock to these individuals in times of need? It's simple. Positivity is contagious. When you surround yourself with positive energy and uplifting messages, it's like a breath of fresh air for your soul. You feel inspired, motivated, and ready to tackle whatever challenges come your way. So, if you want to be instantly likable, channel your inner sunshine. People are drawn to those who exude positivity and who offer a glimmer of hope in the midst of chaos. 9. Show them your drive. Who would you rather spend time with? Someone aimlessly drifting through life with no goals or aspirations, or someone driven and focused, relentlessly pursuing their dreams? It's a no-brainer, right? People naturally gravitate towards those with drive and ambition, finding inspiration and motivation in their relentless pursuit of their goals. When you're in the company of someone who talks about his dreams and has a clear sense of purpose and direction, it's like being swept up in a whirlwind of enthusiasm and energy. Their passion is contagious, igniting a fire within you to chase your own dreams and aspirations. Why do you think people follow Elon Musk this much? Not for his wealth, but for his undying commitment to space exploration and technological advancement. Driven people provide a sense of direction and purpose, inspiring those around them to strive for greatness. And let's face it, who wouldn't want to be around someone who motivates them to be the best version of themselves? 8. Use the right words. Have you ever noticed how some people have a way with words? They effortlessly captivate others with their intelligent and wise speech. Well, being good with words is one of the most captivating habits that desirable people develop over time. Talking wisely and smartly is not just about using complex jargon or trying to impress others with your vocabulary, but about being intentional with your words, expressing yourself clearly, and conveying your ideas in a compelling manner. It's more about conveying your thoughts with clarity and precision, using words that resonate with your audience. Research has shown that individuals who engage in thoughtful and intelligent communication are perceived as more charismatic and influential. By talking smartly and wisely, you can also avoid common communication pitfalls, such as interrupting others, dominating conversations, or speaking in a condescending tone. Instead, you'll come across as a thoughtful and empathetic person who knows how to communicate effectively. 7. Be the giving hand. Desirable people have a unique way of selflessly giving without expecting anything in return. It's one of the most remarkable habits that sets them apart. It's no surprise that people are instantly drawn to kind and selfless individuals. Their compassion and generosity not only make the world a better place, but also inspire others to follow their lead. After all, who wouldn't want to be around someone who makes them feel appreciated, supported, and uplifted? When you adopt a mindset of giving more and expecting less, you shift the focus from yourself to others. You become more attuned to their needs, offer support, and show genuine compassion. So, if you want to enhance your instant likability, embrace the habit of giving more and expecting less. 6. Good humor and storytelling skills. Have you ever felt like your interactions lack a special spark? If so, you're missing out on two key components of likability: good humor and storytelling capabilities. Humor is a universal language that breaks down ice and creates an instant connection between people. When someone uses humor in their conversations, their intention is to put people at ease, make them laugh, and create a positive and light-hearted atmosphere. For them, it's about finding common ground, sharing relatable experiences, and bringing joy to others. Storytelling, on the other hand, is a powerful tool for capturing people's attention and creating emotional connections. Charismatic individuals weave compelling narratives that resonate with their audience, transporting them to different worlds and evoking genuine emotions. Stories have the power to inspire, entertain, and leave a lasting impact. Research has shown that humor has numerous psychological and social benefits. Laughter releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones, which enhance positive feelings and strengthen social bonds. 5. Show your empathetic side. You must have encountered someone who made you feel truly understood and valued, and the conversation left an impact on you. That's because empathetic individuals can be hard to forget. Think about it. When someone shows genuine care and concern for the well-being of others, it's like a breath of fresh air in a world sometimes filled with self-interest and indifference. Their empathy and compassion create a sense of warmth and understanding that makes others feel valued and supported. Moreover, being good-hearted and empathetic allows people to connect with others on a deeper level. It's not just about superficial interactions or surface-level relationships. It's about truly understanding and empathizing with the experiences and emotions of others. Research consistently shows the positive impact of empathy on interpersonal relationships. A study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology revealed that empathetic individuals are perceived as more trustworthy and socially competent. Remember, when you create an empathetic connection, you show others that they matter, and that is instantly admired. 4. Be flexible and adaptable. Imagine you're gearing up for a road trip or jungle camping adventure. Now, who would you rather have by your side? Someone who seamlessly adjusts to different situations and hardships, turning every challenge into a memorable experience. Or someone who constantly throws tantrums and makes everything 10 times more difficult. Adaptability is the key to being more likable in any situation. When you're able to roll with the punches and make the best of whatever comes your way, people can't help but be drawn to your positive energy and resourcefulness. Whether it's navigating through unexpected detours or weathering a sudden change in plans, your ability to adapt with grace and optimism makes you a valuable companion on any journey. When you're adaptable, you demonstrate a genuine interest in others and their experiences. You're willing to step outside your comfort zone, learn from different cultures and perspectives, and find common ground. By adapting to diverse situations, you become relatable and approachable, enhancing your personality. 3. Actively listen. Have you ever been in a conversation where someone truly listened to you, giving you their undivided attention? Well, that's active listening, which is the cornerstone of admiration. In our fast-paced world, it's becoming increasingly rare to find someone who truly listens. Many conversations these days are filled with distractions and a lack of genuine engagement. This can leave individuals feeling unheard and undervalued. And active listening is an antidote for that. Active listening goes beyond simply hearing words. It involves fully engaging with the speaker, understanding their message, and responding in a meaningful way. When you actively listen, you create a safe and supportive environment for open communication. You give others the space to express themselves fully, without judgment or interruption. By demonstrating your attentiveness and empathy, you build trust and strengthen your connections. So if you want to become an instantly likable person, be a good listener and see how others are drawn to your attentive and empathetic presence. 2. Induce nonverbal confidence. Have you ever noticed that some people command desire and instant likability without uttering a word? It all comes down to confidence in nonverbal communication. Confidence in nonverbal communication does not only include confident body language and facial expressions, but also includes your posture and how you make eye contact. The way desirable people carry themselves and their overall presence make a world of difference in how others perceive them. A study published in the Journal of Nonverbal Behavior found that individuals with confident nonverbal cues were perceived as more persuasive, credible, and socially attractive. So remember to work on your nonverbal cues too, as when you exude confidence in your nonverbal cues, You create a powerful presence, and others establish a positive perception of you, which draws them to you. 1. Say no to gossip. Who doesn't like a little fun gossip session? While negative banter may seem harmless, it can quickly diminish your charisma and leave a negative impression. Great individuals understand the power of positivity. They choose their words carefully and avoid engaging in conversations that revolve around negativity or criticism. Instead, they focus on uplifting and inspiring discussions that bring people together. By avoiding negative banter, you create a space for meaningful and constructive conversations. This positive energy enhances your likability and leaves a lasting impression. If someone perceives you as a non-judgmental person who is never excited to pull others' legs, you will instantly win their respect. So, make a conscious effort to steer clear of negative banter and see how the air around you becomes positive. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.